In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best under-desk bike that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. DeskCycle Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. DeskCycle's Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is our best overall pick for its classic cycling pedals and 8 resistance levels to scale up your workouts. The pedals have adjustable Velcro straps to ensure a snug fit so your feet won't slip off. It boasts a removable 6-function LCD monitor that tracks progress as you pedal. Toggle between the bike's 8 resistance levels to up the intensity of your workouts, or keep things simple by leaving the resistance dial set to default. Either way, you're in for a dynamic workout and an intriguing new way to multitask. Number 2. Portable Under-Desk Stationary Fitness Machine Collection. If you don't want to spend an arm and a leg on an under-desk exerciser, Wakeman's Under-Desk Pedal Exerciser is a decidedly budget-friendly option. Despite its reasonable price point, this under-desk bike isn't low on features. Weighing just 5.7 pounds, it's easy to carry and foldable, so moving it around shouldn't be complicated. It also boasts a built-in LCD monitor you can use to track your workouts and comes with an adjustable tension dial to manage workout intensity. Number 3. Cubii Pro Seated Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. Cubii's Pro Seated Under-Desk Elliptical features a whisper-quiet motor, making it an easy addition to both home and public offices. With a smooth stride, it will feel comfortable even when you kick up the resistance to its highest setting. What makes the under-desk elliptical truly splurge-worthy is its compatibility with the Cubii app, which includes a variety of workout ideas. You can also sync the app with Fitbit or Apple Health to keep all your fitness data in one place. Number 4. Stamina Inmotion Elliptical. Looking for an under-desk exerciser that'll keep the noise to a minimum? Stamina's 55 to 1602 Inmotion Elliptical is designed to deliver a quiet and comfortable ride. Even if you turn the built-in resistance to the highest setting, it should still stay smooth and silent. The textured pedals help keep your feet firmly in place, no matter how quickly you're pedaling. And since the elliptical boasts a unique design, one that lets you use it while sitting or standing, you can switch up your workout position anytime you need a change of pace. Number 5. Vaunn Medical Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. Lightweight and foldable, Vaughn's folding pedal exerciser is the kind of under-desk bike you can take anywhere. While many under-desk bicycles fold in half, Vaughn's folding pedal exerciser folds to an even smaller size, only 0.68 square feet of space. It also weighs a mere 5.95 pounds, which makes it easy to tote around. Some of the classic features of the bike include an adjustable resistance knob you can use to increase the intensity of your workouts and a built-in LCD monitor you can use to track your progress. It also comes with a set of non-skid feet that'll help keep the exerciser in place as you pedal.